Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Paul. Just on my way down to my engine builder PSP, Paul Silva Performance. I'm just gonna go check out the block. It's now all machined, ready to go, and pay for some parts and keep moving forward. So I'll see you guys when I get down there.
So that's the one. Rosa.
So there's Mallory here. See, there's a slug here.
Yeah,
There's a slug there.
I see it. Yeah.
And then after that, I went back to the guy, and the guy already checked for straightness and he polished.
Okay.
Check for bent.
Yeah, yeah.
Because sometimes, you know, when these guys are drilling,
Yeah, yeah.
plus, you know, when they add weight here, sometimes they got to drill a little bit here and there. You know what I mean?
Yeah, yeah. Looks good.
So it's done. It's ready to go in the motor.
Right on. Right on. Sure. Excuse me. Yeah, no problem.
So that's it.
These will be much nicer than the stock ones that I had,
Yes.
so that'll be good.
Yeah. Let me put this back. I'll show you the.
Where do you want me to put this?
I gotta put that with your stuff. Let me grab Paul here.
This is all his top secret motors.
Well, that's Ryan Schultz motor that I had. Pull off the. So this is what he did. Like he had to put 1 inch of how much slug of Mallory?
Yeah, yeah.
Because I sent the weight for the pistons, wrist pins, locks,
Right.
rings and spacers, and king bearings. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So
Okay, I appreciate that.
that's it. And then
Yeah.
this was the first time the crank got checked.
Yeah.
And now that tab that's on there, that's the
Yeah.
second time.
Okay.
So, and then like I said, I have this motor here.
Yeah.
The chains I think that came in.
Yeah, yeah,
This is I just put the pen on there so the oil won't drip on the floor.
yeah.
So I got to put the second gears on, and
No problem.
then I got Ted Shore block over there.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I rolled them on the table. They're all good.
I thought I saw one that was bent. Paul.
Yeah, I even put them. I put it on the box that came from that guy, the other guy, Claudio.
Yeah, yeah.
Look, so I even
Okay.
I checked them all because remember I didn't want to wait for last minute.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
So, and then I put it. They were fine. I don't see
Okay.
nothing wrong. Plus, even if it was a little bent, you know, we're torquing. It's going to torque
Yeah,
the
yeah,
wheel. So, that's your stuff here. So, I want to make sure that this was Claudio's head studs. The new ones I put in his.
Okay.
And
Okay, good. I kind of swore I thought I had a bent one.
well, I rolled them all.
Yeah.
I
Okay,
count
great.
them all. Made everything was good. So,
Okay, good.
so no use. You know what I mean? So.
Okay.
Did Brenda have your Cometic head gaskets here? Because I'm gonna need that too.
I don't know.
Yeah, I gotta back order. Even my personal stuff, I ordered head gaskets for my dart block for my World product,
Right.
January 7th, and you
Yeah.
believe the guy didn't order now 5 to 6 weeks
Shit.
for me to get gaskets.
I know.
So I got all your stuff here, your rods, and
Okay, good.
everything's there. So
Big
okay, let's find.
Let's see some medic head.
Well, we ordered a lot of extra stuff.
Oh no, forget it. If you
No,
got
it's
full-
nothing. So there's your girdle there with your stuff, and then
Yeah.
your pistons were pin fit and everything that was checked.
Yeah, yeah.
You know what I mean? So that's all done. And the small end of the rods and the big end of the rods. And then
That's my feel.
one is cast iron, one is this.
The one that's heavier.
Yeah, this is yours.
Okay.
Well, this thing has to be washed like twice.
Yeah.
I'll wash it first and then.
Yeah. Okay.
So it's been like it's just oily.
Yeah.
But it's
okay.
been deck board and line honed and
Yeah.
I kept the stuff here.
Yeah. So we're good to go.
And then I did those things. I pinned the thrust plugs. I only pull one in because that's the only one that was small enough to put a screw-in thrust plug.
Yeah.
But this is the same way I did Ted's, you know.
Okay.
And then your girdle slides on here.
Yep. And then
Remember we ordered the studs for it? So
yeah.
this goes in like this.
Beautiful. See? Okay. Well, I think
Okay, so everything is like I said. Let me do Ted's.
Yeah, no problem.
Let me do Ted's more. Let me finish Claudio.
Yeah.
Do Ted's.
Yeah.
Do yours. But in the meantime, I gotta get. Carlos just got his new block from Florida.
Yeah.
I got a clearance to clear everything, and then I gotta send it to get home, and then I got Steve Fellas. These guys are all gonna go racing, so I gotta make sure that these guys have their stuff ready. You know what I mean? Because they'll be pissed off. These guys, not only they've been with me for a long time, and they're gonna race, so I don't want them missing a race on my account. You know what I mean?
No. Usually those guys.
But like I said, you'll be.
The tune is still.
That looks nice. Oh, she looks good.
All right, so I just left the shop. It was another great visit. PSP's the best. They they treat you like family there. So as you guys saw, the motor's coming along. We were waiting on the crank to come back, so the crank's done, and we got all the pieces are in, except we're waiting on some Kinetic head gaskets that are going to be in for May. So once again, part delay is going to, I guess, delay the whole process once again, but there's nothing that we can do. Otherwise, Paul's going to start working on the building the short block until the Kinetic gaskets come in, and then we'll go from there. So hope you guys liked the video. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the channel. And of course, thanks for watching.